NASA is embarking on a transformative chapter in space exploration as evidenced by two significant developments this week. The arrival of the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration probe IMAP in Florida marks a pivotal moment for the agency, while plans for establishing a lunar time zone signal its ambitions for sustained operations beyond Earth. On May 10, 2025, NASA's IMAP spacecraft arrived at the Astrotech Space Operations Facility near Kennedy Space Center, ready for processing ahead of its mission. Designed to investigate the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by the sun that envelopes our solar system, IMAP is poised to enhance our understanding of how solar winds interact with interstellar space. This mission is particularly timely as it aligns with increasing global interest in solar phenomena and their implications on space weather. IMAP will provide unprecedented insights into the boundaries of our heliosphere and how it is shaped by solar activity, said Dr. David McComas, the principal investigator of IMAP at Princeton University. The spacecraft is expected to deliver crucial data that could inform not only astrophysical research but also practical applications like satellite protection from solar storms. Meanwhile, NASA is also making strides towards establishing a new temporal framework on the Moon. Under directives from the White House, the agency is working to implement Coordinated Lunar Time (LTC), an initiative aimed at synchronizing operations for future lunar missions. This unprecedented endeavor comes as international efforts intensify to create a lasting human presence on the Moon, particularly through the Artemis program, which plans to return astronauts to lunar soil. NASA's Kevin Coggins, who oversees space communications and navigation, emphasized the necessity of this initiative, stating, "Without a unified lunar standard, secure data transfers and synchronized communications between Earth lunar bases, orbiters, and astronauts would be nearly impossible." The lunar time zone aims to mitigate discrepancies caused by the Moon's weaker gravity, which causes clocks there to tick slightly faster than those on Earth. This intricate balancing act will involve atomic clocks positioned on or orbiting the Moon, establishing a reliable timekeeping system essential for future missions. "Imagine if the world wasn't syncing their clocks to the same time, how disruptive that might be," added Coggins, illustrating the potential chaos of disjointed timekeeping in the realm of space exploration. Additionally, in a separate development highlighting the agency's responsiveness to public sentiment, NASA has removed the name of Dr. Kurt D. Buss, a former SS officer linked to Nazi rocket programs, from its facilities and biographies. This decision follows mounting scrutiny over the agency's historical ties to figures associated with the Nazi regime under Operation Paperclip. The renaming of the Dr. Kurt H. D. Buss Conference Facility to the Heroes and Legends Conference Facility reflects NASA's commitment to acknowledging the contributions of a diverse set of individuals in its storied history. The agency's actions this week underscore its dual focus on advancing scientific exploration while also reckoning with its past. As IMAP prepares to launch its groundbreaking mission and NASA lays the groundwork for lunar timekeeping, the agency is not only poised to expand human knowledge but is also navigating the complexities of its historical legacy. As these initiatives unfold, they will likely set the stage for deeper exploration of our solar system and beyond, leading to exciting developments in the years to come. In a captivating display of nature's fury juxtaposed with human activity, an astronaut aboard the International Space Station (ISS) recently captured a stunning nighttime photograph of Southeast Asia, showcasing the vibrant lights of urban life against the backdrop of a thunderstorm. Taken on October 27, 2024, the image reveals the bright flashes of lightning illuminating the seas near Yangon, Myanmar's largest city, where fishing boats are lit up with green lights designed to attract marine life. This striking visual not only highlights the region's bustling activity but also serves as a reminder of the environmental phenomena that characterize Southeast Asia, particularly during the monsoon season. The photograph offers a unique perspective on the interconnected cities of Thailand and Myanmar, where urban lights shine brightly amid expanses of dark, rural landscapes. The ISS image highlights cities like Chiang Mai and Phitsanulok in Thailand's central river valley, where the Chao Phraya River meanders through a densely populated area. Despite the vibrant urbanization, large swaths of unlit rural terrain remain evident, underscoring the contrast between developed and undeveloped regions. As the monsoon season brings heavy rainfall and thunderstorms, the bright flashes of lightning in the photograph capture a common natural occurrence in the area. The astronaut's vantage point allowed for a clear view of the atmospheric phenomena, enhanced by the absence of moonlight, which typically obscures such details. Notably, the photograph also captures a faint green layer of airglow hovering at the horizon. A subtle yet beautiful addition to the scene. The region is not only known for its urban lights but also for its natural disasters. The southern part of Myanmar depicted in the image would later experience significant damage from a magnitude 7.7 earthquake that struck in March 2025, further emphasizing the need for ongoing monitoring and disaster preparedness in this seismically active area. This photograph, taken with a Nikon Z9 digital camera, is part of NASA's efforts to utilize the ISS as a platform for Earth observation. The images captured by astronauts are valuable for scientists and the public alike, offering insights into environmental changes and human impacts on the planet. The ISS program continues to support these efforts, providing a unique opportunity to document and understand our world from above. As we look to the future, the significance of such imagery increases. It not only serves as a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet but also highlights the urgent need for sustainable practices in rapidly developing regions. With the ongoing advancements in satellite technology and Earth observation, we can expect to see more detailed and dynamic views of our planet, allowing us to better understand the complex interactions between human activity and natural phenomena. As climate change continues to impact weather patterns and urban development, these insights will be crucial in shaping our response to the challenges that lie ahead. NASA is embarking on a significant shift in how it manages astronaut rescue services, signaling a new era of privatization within its operations. As the space agency seeks to optimize its resources and enhance safety protocols, the move to privatize these services comes amid a broader trend of public-private partnerships in the aerospace sector. This initiative aims to offload certain responsibilities to private companies, thereby allowing NASA to concentrate on its core missions while ensuring that astronauts have reliable rescue options in emergencies. The decision follows an extensive review of NASA's operational capabilities and an acknowledgement that private entities can often provide quicker and potentially more cost-effective solutions. By leveraging the expertise and agility of the private sector, we can enhance our astronaut safety protocols and ensure a more robust response in case of emergencies, said a NASA official who spoke on the condition of anonymity due to the sensitive nature of the discussions. This shift is not merely about cost-cutting. It represents a strategic realignment in how NASA approaches its missions in an increasingly competitive space environment. In parallel, the excitement surrounding space exploration continues to capture public imagination, as exemplified by a new Apple TV+ sci-fi series that has received praise from astronauts for its accuracy. The show, which explores the challenges of space travel, has garnered a stamp of approval from NASA astronauts who commend its realistic portrayal of life in space. This endorsement underscores the growing interest in space-themed entertainment and its potential to educate the public about the complexities of human spaceflight. While NASA is focused on safety and operational efficiency, it is also making strides in scientific observation. Recent images from the International Space Station highlight the breathtaking beauty of Southeast Asia at night, showcasing vibrant city lights, lightning storms, and the glow from fishing boats captured by astronauts. These photographs offer stunning insights into human activity and natural phenomena from a unique vantage point. The ISS crew continues to provide invaluable data that can enhance our understanding of urban development, environmental changes, and disaster response. Moreover, as NASA pushes forward with its plans to return humans to the Moon under the Artemis program, the agency is also preparing to establish the first official lunar time zone. This initiative, known as Coordinated Lunar Time (LTC), aims to synchronize operations on the Moon, a critical step in ensuring the safety and efficiency of future missions. Without a unified lunar standard, coordinating activities in space would be incredibly challenging, remarked Kevin Coggins, head of space communications and navigation at NASA. The introduction of LTC will not only facilitate moon missions but will also serve as a template for interplanetary timekeeping as humanity embarks on deeper space exploration. As these developments unfold, the interplay between privatization, entertainment, scientific observation, and timekeeping in space reflects a transformative period for NASA and the broader aerospace community. The agency's strategic decisions today will pave the way for a new frontier in human exploration where collaboration with private companies and advancements in technology will play crucial roles in shaping the future of space travel. As we look ahead, the implications of these changes will resonate far beyond Earth, influencing how humanity interacts with the cosmos. In a remarkable convergence of scientific breakthroughs, both NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe IMAP and new findings about Venus are reshaping our understanding of space and planetary geology. As humanity's exploration of the cosmos continues to advance, these developments underscore the significance of our ongoing missions and the potential for new discoveries. On May 10, 2025, NASA's IMAP spacecraft arrived at the Astrotech Space Operations Facility in Florida, marking a pivotal moment in the mission designed to study the heliosphere, the protective bubble around our solar system shaped by solar winds. This spacecraft, transported via semi-trailer from NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center, is set to explore how solar activity influences the space environment, potentially unlocking answers to long-standing questions about the sun's impact on the boundaries of our solar system. According to mission leader Dr. David McComas, IMAP will provide us with unprecedented insights into the interactions between the solar wind and interstellar space, enhancing our understanding of the fundamental processes that govern our cosmic neighborhood. Meanwhile, in a striking revelation, NASA scientists have determined that Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin, is not the geologically dead planet once believed. Recent analysis of radar images from NASA's Magellan spacecraft, combined with new computational techniques, suggests that the surface of Venus is actively shifting and reshaping, akin to ice flows on water. This phenomenon, termed flake tectonics, indicates that the planet hosts a dynamic geological environment. Dr. Paul Byrne, the study's lead author, emphasized the implications of this finding. This tells us that Venus is not a dead planet. It's actually doing things. The discovery that chunks of Venus's crust may be moving due to mantle activity introduces a new layer of complexity to our understanding of rocky planets. Unlike Earth's robust tectonic plates, Venus's crust appears to consist of smaller, weaker blocks that float and shift, driven by heat rising from the planet's interior. This challenges the long-standing assumption that Venus is a stagnant body and invites comparisons with Earth's own geological processes. As both IMAP and the revelations about Venus progress, they highlight the critical role of space exploration in expanding our knowledge of planetary systems. NASA is gearing up for further missions to Venus, including the Veritas and Da Vinci projects slated to launch in the coming decade. These missions aim to provide deeper insights into the planet's geology and atmosphere, potentially confirming the newfound activity on its surface. Looking ahead, the successful deployment of IMAP and the ongoing research into Venus not only enrich our scientific narratives but also enhance our understanding of the solar system's dynamics. Each mission and discovery propels us closer to answering fundamental questions about planetary evolution and the conditions that foster habitable environments both in our solar system and beyond. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, the implications of these findings could reshape our future endeavors in space, offering new pathways for discovery and understanding of our universe. In recent developments from the realm of space exploration, significant discoveries and predictions regarding Mars have emerged, capturing the attention of scientists and enthusiasts alike. From the presence of liquid water deep beneath the Martian surface to the potential for human life on the red planet, these findings could reshape our understanding of planetary exploration and sustainability. New research has confirmed the existence of liquid water beneath the surface of Mars, a finding announced by NASA and other space agencies. This discovery adds to the growing list of evidence suggesting that Mars could harbor conditions suitable for life past or even present. Scientists have utilized advanced radar technology to penetrate the Martian crust, revealing substantial bodies of water that could be critical for future exploration missions. As one researcher noted, the presence of liquid water is a game-changer in our quest to understand Mars and its potential for supporting life. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has long championed the idea of colonizing Mars as a form of life insurance for humanity. His assertion is grounded in scientific forecasts that predict a dire future for Earth due to the Sun's gradual expansion. Recent simulations conducted by NASA and Toho University have projected that life on Earth could become impossible by the year 100,000,2021 as the Sun evolves into a red giant. Mars is life insurance for life collectively, Musk stated, emphasizing the need for a multi-planetary civilization to ensure humanity's survival. The implications of these findings are profound, particularly as they coincide with changing priorities in space exploration funding. The recent decision by the Trump administration to reallocate significant NASA resources toward manned missions to Mars reflects a strategic pivot toward ensuring that America remains at the forefront of space exploration. This shift includes a $6 billion cut from other NASA projects aimed at enhancing the capabilities of SpaceX and its ambitious goals. Moreover, as scientists continue to explore Martian weather patterns, fascinating phenomena such as dust devils have been observed. Footage captured by NASA's Perseverance rover shows a larger dust devil consuming a smaller one, shedding light on the dynamic and sometimes violent weather conditions on Mars. As Mark Lemon, a Perseverance scientist, explained, when two dust devils encounter each other, they can either obliterate one another or merge, with the stronger one consuming the weaker. This observation not only enriches our understanding of Martian meteorology but also aids in developing more accurate climate models essential for future missions. As the space community looks toward Mars, the convergence of these discoveries could pave the way for sustained human presence on the planet. The ongoing research into its subsurface water reserves and the challenges posed by its weather patterns will be crucial in shaping the next steps for manned missions. Musk's vision of a self-sustaining colony on Mars remains ambitious yet increasingly plausible as technological advancements continue to unfold. In conclusion, the exploration of Mars is entering a new era marked by critical discoveries and a renewed commitment to human colonization efforts. As scientists work to unlock the secrets of the red planet, the potential for establishing a second home for humanity becomes ever more tangible, promising a future where our species may thrive beyond Earth. The next few decades will be pivotal in determining the viability of human life on Mars as research and exploration push the boundaries of what we once thought possible. In a groundbreaking initiative that seeks to redefine humanity's relationship with time and space, NASA is preparing to establish the first official time zone for the Moon, aptly named Coordinated Lunar Time (LTCE). This ambitious project, directed by the White House, aims to synchronize future lunar missions and operations, creating a reliable framework for navigating and conducting activities on the Moon's surface. As international efforts to establish a sustained presence beyond Earth's orbit intensify, the implications of such a timekeeping system are profound. NASA's endeavor to create LTC is not merely a matter of convenience. It addresses a complex challenge stemming from the Moon's unique gravitational environment. Clocks on the lunar surface tick slightly faster than those on Earth due to weaker gravity. According to the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy (OSTP), a clock on the Moon gains approximately 58.7 microseconds per Earth day compared to its counterpart on Earth. Arati Prabhakar, OSTP director, elaborated on the intricacies of lunar timekeeping, noting that periodic fluctuations would further complicate synchronization efforts. Kevin Coggins, head of space communications and navigation at NASA, likened the need for a lunar time standard to the atomic clocks that synchronize operations across the United States. "You're going to want a heartbeat on the Moon," he emphasized, underscoring the importance of precision in spaceflight, where nanosecond-level accuracy is crucial for safe navigation and communication. Historically, lunar missions have relied on mission elapsed time, but the upcoming wave of space exploration necessitates a uniform and stable time reference. The recent passage of the Celestial Time Standardization Act mandates that NASA establish LTC by the end of 2026, aligning it with Earth's Coordinated Universal Time (UTC) while adapting to the Moon's peculiarities. This system will likely utilize atomic clocks placed on or around the Moon, which will generate a weighted average to account for relativistic effects. The introduction of LTC is not only pivotal for lunar missions but also sets a precedent for future explorations of Mars and beyond. An OSTP official cautioned that without a unified lunar time standard, the ability to conduct secure data transfers and maintain synchronized communications between Earth-lunar bases and orbiters would be severely hampered. Imagine if the world wasn't syncing their clocks to the same time, how disruptive that might be, the official remarked. As NASA collaborates with international space agencies, private companies, and scientific institutions to develop this lunar timekeeping framework, LTC is poised to become the backbone of deep space operations. This initiative is particularly significant as NASA readies for its Artemis program, which aims to land astronauts on the Moon for the first time since 1972. The establishment of LTC represents a critical step in the evolution of space infrastructure, facilitating not only lunar exploration but also laying the groundwork for future interplanetary endeavors. With various countries and organizations gearing up for operations in lunar orbit and on the Moon's surface, synchronized timekeeping will ensure that all participants can coordinate their efforts effectively. As humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the introduction of Coordinated Lunar Time marks a profound leap forward, promising to usher in a future where time, both on Earth and beyond, is not only measured but also harmonized across vast distances. The successful implementation of LTC could define the next chapter of human exploration in the cosmos, setting the stage for ambitious missions not only to the Moon but also to Mars and other celestial bodies.